What is up, you guys? It's your girl Passion. Welcome back to my channel. So today you guys are going to be watching me do my nails again. So right here I'm just starting out with taking my nail polish off, so you guys just stay tuned. So I've had my nails on for about 11 days now, and I just got tired of the color, and I just thought I should give myself a feel, and I wanted to do color. So here we are. So right here I'm going in with my drill. Like I said, I am a beginner, so I'm going very slow. I sped the video up for time, but I am going very slow, and I'm focusing on the cuticle area because I'm just giving myself a feel. So I'm making sure that you guys can see. I'm showing you the cuticle area. I'm trying to get as close as possible, but I'm also being safe because I don't want to cut myself. I don't normally use the drill for filing down as much, but this time I just wanted to try it to save some time from using the hand file. So now I'm just cleaning off the dust from my nails so I can show you guys a better view of how much of the acrylic I took off. So right here is my cuticle area that I'm showing you, and I've carefully went around that with the drill. So I'm just dusting it off now, and I'm about to go in and push my cuticles back. So you can see the difference here in my cuticle area for me drilling off the acrylic and for me pushing my cuticles back. That's how much my nails have grown. So now I'm about to go in with my hand file and just softly use the rough side of the file to blend my natural nail and the acrylic together to make a flatter surface. Okay, so now I'm going in with my no lift primer, and I'm going to use 2 coats of this on every nail, and I'm going to use it towards my natural nail. Now I'm using my Mia Secret monomer in powder in the color pink, and I'm going to give myself a feel. Alright, you guys, so now I am done. This is how they turned out. Now I'm going to go in with my nail file and shape my nails, get the shape that I'm looking for, which is a basic square shape. So I'm using the hard side of the nail file to do that. Like I said, I don't normally go with the drill because I'm not too comfortable yet, but I just decided to go ahead and try it out and just take my time, and I sped the video up for time purposes, but I think I did pretty good with the drill. I'm feeling a little more comfortable every time I use it, more and more comfortable with it. Okay, you guys, so right here I'm showing you a close-up of the thickness on my pointer finger. I'm just showing you without me drilling on it or doing anything to it. That's just the acrylic, so I'm going to show you the difference after I've filed it down a little, and I'm focusing that on the cuticle area. So that pointer finger is much smoother and flatter around the cuticle area than the before clip that you guys seen. So now I'm going in with my buffer to buff out my nails so I can have a smooth surface to polish on. After I'm done buffing, I'm going to go wash my hands, and then I'll be back to polish. And now I'm going in with the Sally Hansen's Miracle Gel. So as you guys can see, it's the same color as my towel that I'm using. I didn't even think about that until I started polishing them, but what the heck. I like this green color. I think it brings out my skin tone, so I'm just going in with that. I am going to do 2 coats, and then I'm going to put my top coat on. So for the nail polish around my skin, I just go in with a brush with some acetone on it just to clean that nail polish up. Alright, you guys, so the next clip you will see, I will be finished. So I wanted to say once again, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. So y'all thought I was gonna let y'all leave without checking out my last video or subscribing to my channel? Y'all crazy.